Okay, this is the model we are going to create using the SolidWorks. All these dimensions are given in millimeters. Okay, let's open the file new part drawing. Okay, so I'm going to sketch. I'm going to select the front plane for this sketch. I'm going to draw the view looking from this direction on a front plane. It means the 160 rectangle. Front plane, make it normal. Sketch. Select the center rectangle. The dimensioning 60. Vertical center line, vertical infinite length. Dimensioning, this one is equal to 12. This one height from the top, that is equal this height is equal 40. Then this length is equal from the center 72 divided by 2. Okay, then I am going to mirror this one around this vertical axis. Mirror entities about this axis. So what are the entities? These are the entities. Okay, then now we are having a fully defined sketch for extrusion. I'm going to extrude this this contour. 2-direction extrusion. For 1 direction 20 millimeter. 20 millimeter. Okay. Then we are going to generate this groove, the 22 26 height. So then select this face and make it normal. Then go to sketch, vertical center line, center rectangle, (22), and the vertical height is equal to 26. Then select these two lines and make it collinear. Then go to the features, extrude cut through all. Okay, then select the top plane, select this face, and then make it normal, and go to sketch. Again draw the vertical center line, infinite length, center rectangle, thickness of the center rectangle is equal to 26. This dimension is equal, length of the center rectangle is equal 86. Then the extrude cut, we are going to generate the depth is equal 18. Depth is equal 18. Features, extrude cut, depth is equal 18. Okay, this is how we are creating this model using the SolidWorks.